Hi, welcome to my page. So today I'll be showing you how I dressed my Edo bride's hair. These are all the things I used for the hair decoration. If you're watching, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. So I'm going to see you at the end of this video. Well, this hairstyle, this Edo hairstyle is bridal hairstyle is called Okuku. So, but we are not using the Okuku here. She just made normal hair. But what's important is that you made something that is high up, a hair that is high up, a bun or anything that is high up and full and big. You can use them if you don't have the okuko, if you cannot make the okuko, you don't have time to do the okuko, so you can still use any other hair. So I'll be starting by adding the long bead. So for the starting, you have to sew it. Some people use pin, but the pin is not guaranteed, might remove or anything. So I use needle to sew the starting of the bead, so that it can be more secured. Now we start by wiping it at the front or our forehead. Okay, as a wrapping, be adding pin. After we are done wrapping, we are going to be removing all the pins. So for this, I joined another bead. You see, I used pin for that to hold it first. Then I joined another bead using that rope. Then cross it over. You can always ask your bride or anybody beside you to help you and hold the bead while you do your work, because the bead can be long. So I'm just using what my bride provided. Most of them, the bead is much more than this. So this is what my bride provided, and that is what I'm going to be using. Okay, so some people used to put their gold things up here, but this is all we have for it. And see my bride, she's still looking perfect and beautiful and everything. But thank you for watching. Bye.